Here is the two-chamber view, which shows the calcified healed mass. Also, this the color jet of the mitral regurg. We continue scanning of the valve in different views. Here was the main regurgent jet between A2 P2, A2 P3. And now our TE finding that favorable repair, it's a localized lesion, no annular or leaflet calcification, normal subvalvular apparatus. The mechanism of regurg was flail A2, and one of the most important factors that favor repair, presence of expert surgeon. And according to the guidelines, mitral valve repair is considered the standard of care for severe mitral regurg class 1B. Here we move to the OR, started to confirming our previous data, presence of flail A2, presence of the color jet of severe mitral regurg. And here we went to the post-repair stage. Post-repair, there was almost no mitral regurg. Here, after insertion of the mitral ring, the regurg disappeared.